Carbon DLS printing is known for its isotropic properties. This allows us to install additional hardware like this threaded insert with confidence. Using the same resin as the printed part, we can create similar results to insert molding. This is our Mark 10 motorized force testing machine. It has a range up to 500 pounds of force. Today we're going to be using it to do some breakpoint testing on these threaded inserts on this carbon 3D printed part. So the first thing we're going to do is place the part onto this fixture that we designed and machined in-house. We'll put this top retaining plate on it. So I'll use the manual control to set the home of the load cell. So right now I'm dropping it down just enough to get the hook over it, but not so much that it'll back itself out by accident during the test. So that's it. It's a pretty quick test. If you look here, you can see that the max load for that pull was 147.6 pounds of force. So this is one of 3 failure modes that we've observed with this part, this one being the least destructive of the 3. It took over 100 pounds of force to pull out this threaded insert. So we're confident that there's a huge safety margin over the requirement by the customer. So overall, great results, and we are confident with this part and the threaded insert installed to it.